Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello and welcome back to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you how to increase the font size on Windows 10 computer. So let's begin. So first of all, go to Start menu and click on the settings. Now click on ease of access. So click on this option. Now you'll see here display setting. Under the display setting, make text bigger. So now you can move this slider towards the right and adjust the text size, and you'll see here on the sample text. So you can increase the font size by sliding this slider towards the right side. So if you want to increase only the text size, then you can use this slider, and if you want to make everything bigger, or if you want to change the size of apps and text also, then you can use this option. So click on drop down and select the value from the list. So click on 125%. So you'll see here everything looks bigger in size. Now text has also increased, and you can see here on the desktop icons and text on the icons also changed and increased. So if you are finding trouble on reading the smaller text size on Windows screen, then you can increase the font size, or you can increase the everything so that it looks more bigger and you can read it without stretch of your eye. So that's how you can increase the font size in Windows 10 system. So if you are finding this video information useful, click on the like button, and if you are finding this video information useful, click on the like button, and if you are new to my channel, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.